Yes, everyone. Some questions on my screen now. When to use Power Query? When to use DAX? In what scenarios? In what scenarios you can use either Power Query as well as DAX? Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Everyone, please confirm. Please, 3 questions on the screen. Yes. Others, please check it. Please, Arvind. Yeah, Gangadeep, Hemant, please check it. Relwan, Sachreka, somewhere. Please check it. Check my
Yes, sir.
screen, please. Yeah.
We can
Yes,
see.
sir.
Yes,
Sure.
I can see.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, please give your answers. Now. Please give it a try. I am there to provide you the answers. I want you to try, please. I'll wait. Come on, friends. Yes. So when to use Power Query?
When we import the data.
Yes.
When you have multiple sources.
Exactly. Yes. 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 There we are. Yep. You're right. So for data extraction from big data sources, if it is database, you have direct query, right? Isn't it? Remember, big data source, direct query, storage modes, earlier
Yes, sir.
classes. You remember, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chapter 5, we learned about SQLDB. There you got import direct query, isn't it?
Yes.
So if it is database, okay, you have direct query. But what about file? What if it is big data file? So there we are. There we need Power Query. Big data source, file type source. Okay, there we are going to create something called parameters, right? You remember, please, everyone? We parameterize the financial data sheet and extract only particular segment, particular country data. You remember now? Yep.
Yes.
Yes. So that is the actual concept now. Okay. So database is big, direct query is there. Happy. But if file is big, what you do? There comes Power Query, data extraction from big data source using Power Query. Same way, data extraction from one more. If you have multiple tables, you can directly perform join activity, right? Isn't it? Multiple tables directly to join SQL. That is okay. What if there are multiple files? If we have multiple files, the other day, 7th chapter, you got some error message. You remember? Yes. It says there is no relation. You got
Yes,
some
sir.
error message there, right? Power Query.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the 50 examples Power Query. I think, yeah, a particular item here, right? Item number 9, you got some error because there is no relation. So this is the concept, extraction from multiple files. What we do? We need to go for combine. This is parameters. This is combine, like union, merge. Remember now, everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, union, merge. Those are the items we learned. Next, data extraction from heterogeneous sources. Yes, this one. There are few files, there are few tables. You would like to bridge them together. Then also we require Power Query transformations. You format the data, you combine the data. That is a concept. So additional formatting activities we can do. Yes, coming to the DAX. Yep. Row level security, RLS we did. Dynamic calculations implement. Analytical reports, right? This one. Yes, you remember everyone. These are the items we learned right earlier. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Dynamic reporting. If a customer select a particular year, not a valid year. If a customer select some other year, you got some sales for that year. Yes, you remember, please. Interactive, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Interactive and dynamic reporting controls. Yes. So what scenarios you can use Power Query or DAX, any of them? Column calculations, not measure, it's only column calculations and formatting controls. For more additional information on my screen, a checklist activities, complete set of differences throughout our entire Power BI ecosystem.